back in another video of mine, and in this video we're gonna do something for technology for sure, and something related to computer science. So don't think it's gonna be hard, because most people think that this word computer science is a big word, so it will be hard learning it. Actually, it's opposite. You're gonna love it. Means you're gonna be excited, like what's gonna happen. Oh my god, how, oh my god, that's so fun. You're gonna be so excited. So let's start our video without taking more time, and please subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this, and press the notification bell too. And please like this video and view this video fully and share to your friends. So okay, let's start. Today I'm going to teach you how to write HTML in Notepad. HTML is a programming language actually. Yep, it's a programming language. It's an easy programming language actually. It's beginners like, it's easy one. So let's start writing a program, HTML program in Notepad. So you use Notepad to write program for HTML. Okay, so let's put Notepad. It's installed in most of the laptops like Windows 7, Windows 8 and all these. It's already installed. So I also have this Notepad here. It's an app, and here is our Notepad. It's not actually like Word or anything. I know it has some tabs, but it's not means it's so different from Word. We can't edit any picture, we can't put any picture, we can't put any video. That's not possible in Notepad actually. A Notepad, it's not possible in that. This is just for writing program and executing them. So I'm gonna tell you. First we write a program. Here we have file. We can use new window, open, save as, print, page setup, print, exit. Okay, let's start from HTML. Today's video is not about learning HTML. I'm just gonna tell you how to write in Notepad, the basics of Notepad. Today's I'm not focusing on how to write HTML, what is HTML, that we cover in another video. Today let's get started with this, the basics. Okay, let's start. So first, in every program of HTML, first we write doc type HTML. If you're doing a small program, like not such a big program, not professional program, we mostly write doc type HTML. So we write here doc type HTML, and every HTML language has tags. It uses tags to execute the program. Means if you don't put any tag, our program is wrong and we can't execute the program. So basically this is a tag. What you see here, this is a tag. This is called tags. Some some values have tags, but some doesn't, don't have, like this Dr. HTML doesn't have. And then again we have to type HTML, and let's start a program. So today just do a simple program of, like, I'm telling you, actually let's keep it a secret. When it will execute you will see it. Okay, here we write head, and here we write title. Actually don't keep any space, doesn't need. Then title, then here we do it. Let's write it, what should we write it about? Okay, let's write it about meat hacks YouTube channel. Please visit my channel, the link is in description. You can visit and subscribe my channel and share your friends, and that's my YouTube channel. Okay, let's start, and let's put a closing tag here. Title, closing tags have slash, and let's do closing for head. So here we did it. Oh, now let us go to our body. So now we have body tag. This also has a closing tag, but now let's just go front. Now we'll write a paragraph. Actually no, let us write let us keep a background color, PG color equal Let's give it red. Today I'm not gonna tell you how to put background color and all that. That will cover in next video, as I told you before. Also, today we're just gonna concentrate on writing a notepad program. Okay. So we wrote the body and color. Now let us write the heading. I love headings. H1, H2. So let us write meet hacks. H1 is the biggest heading and it has a closing tag. Okay, now let's write a paragraph on my channel. Okay. Hello, my channel name is Meet Hacks and I do technology videos and educational videos that are fun and animated that can engage everyone with it. So that's good enough. Okay, let us continue the paragraph. I can engage everyone with it and everyone will find fun in the study and I love technology. Okay, that's enough. Let's go to the next line. Let's end this. Okay. Before we can put a font also, like I'll put font face. Font face equal. You can do Algerian and I can do font color equal yellow. Okay, that's pretty simple. And at the end here you put font the closing tag, then close the paragraph tag. So here is the end of our HTML program. At 1 minute, let's close body tag also. Let's close HTML tag. Oh, that's our HTML program. It's pretty simple and it was fun. Like right. Yeah, it was fun and it was not really exciting also to see how does it look. Now let's go to save as. We can just save on desktop. And first of all, please change the text documents to all files and let us put meethacks.html. .html is important in every program. So yeah, then we saved it. Let's go to our desktop. Here is meethacks. It will open in any browser, which is default browser. My default browser is Chrome, so it will open in Chrome. So here is it. That's so good. So you can see and here also it shows our title. It shows meethacks as a heading and my paragraph. So that's good. Okay, that's pretty good. Then we can also save it here, like Sometimes if we do any change, then we have to save it to make the change be visible on the browser here. So here, and we can do everything here, so you can see that. So I'll do another change here, like I'll do here this change. So we can do so many changes, and we can then just refresh our Chrome to make the changes, make it available here. So this is my final document. So doesn't it look good? That's so good. Wow, like this is like a website. Actually, it's like a website, and it also tells where your program is saved. See, it's not saved in my desktop, and it says what's the title and all this, and it says the what I saved the file, which name. So it's good. So wish you understood the Notepad and its programs in HTML. And until that, see you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video, and press the bell icon to know every means to get the notification from every of my video. And see you. Tada.